But yeah.
Magic Mountains is in LA. Very funny clash. No way!
That's awesome,
No
dude.
way!
That's fucking. This is a perfect clip. Bro, that's a massive landing space, dude. The bird literally fucking Chris Kyled. Sniped the titty.
No way!
What the fuck? It's perfect. I was literally thinking, like, is it gonna hit the titty? Like, is there, like, that's too comical, right? Like, that's like some shit you see in a movie. Like, there's no way. Like, that would be too funny. And then it just fucking blam. Oh, that's so awesome, dude. How could it not hit the tit? The gravity's like, it's just like, look, we're not gonna sexualize this person, okay? I'm just like talking about it from a medical point of view. Okay, I'm talking about it medically. There's a big landing zone there, okay? I don't mean it. Oh, it's on the back too. Ew. Oh, I just saw. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's just like, from a medical standpoint, okay, this is not sexual at all, okay? There's nothing inherently sexual about a titty. Let's be real, okay? Hashtag fucking breastfeeding streams. What happened there is just like, it can't hit anywhere else. It just can't. Yeah, it's perfect. Like, she's wearing white, too. That's so funny. The size of this bird shit, too. Was it a bald eagle? Yeah, that's like a human shit size. What the fuck is going on? Titty is not a medical term? Okay, I meant like breast disease.
No way! No way!
That's incredible, dude. What a fucking perfect clip. Damn.